Welcome to our live show, guys. Can you hear me? Hello, guys. We are doing holdings. Today our topic is palm oil and palm kernel oil equipment. I will introduce our different skills, palm oil production line, production equipment. If you are interested in our process or our equipment, if you have need about our production line, you could enter our live show, and I will introduce for you. Okay, first let's see this video to learn about our 1 ton per hour palm oil free installation production line. Our company has its own factory and engineer team, so we could provide customization for you according to need, according to process capacity. This video, this production line is 1 ton per hour free installation palm oil production line. Welcome, guys. Good afternoon. Welcome to our live show. We are doing holdings. Our company is mainly produced for edible oil production equipment. Today our topic is palm oil and palm kernel oil equipment. Except these equipment, we also could provide soybean oil, rapeseed oil, cottonseed oil, rice bran oil, and the other vegetable edible oil production equipment for you. If you have some need or question, you could type them on comment area. Welcome, guys. Can you hear me, guys? This video is our 1 ton per hour free installation palm oil production line. You could say this production line has complete equipment. The palm oil production process includes sterilization, threshing, digesting, pressing, clarification, and vacuum drying. This production line includes complete equipment. And this equipment do need many install time, could save you install cost, installation time, and this production line is easier to transport. Just need 3 containers. Could transport entire process equipment for you, and just need to install the pipeline. Wait a moment. Welcome to our live show, guys. Welcome to our live show, guys. Okay, today our topic is palm oil and palm kernel oil equipment. The last one is 1 ton per hour palm oil production line. This video is our 5 tons per hour palm oil production line. It has higher degree of automatic. The workshop inside don't need worker to control. It could save you, it could reduce the labor cost and could give you better efficiency. Okay, first we need these forklifts pour into the FFB to the inclined conveyor. The first step is sterilization. In this 5 tons per hour palm oil production line, the sterilizer will use this no food cage and use the direct vapor heat. So its processing capacity is larger than 1 to 2 tons palm oil production line and the last one for installation palm oil production line. Okay, welcome to our live show, guys. The second step is threshing. First step is sterilization. This step proposes of make the palm fruit bunches be softened and then easier to remove the palm fruit. So the second, we will use this drum type thresher, remove the palm fruit from the bunches, and then the fruit falls into the conveyor and to be transported to the digester. This is our digester. It is a vertical digester. And inside has heat coil and the palm fruit falls inside will be destroy the structure. During this step, any crude palm oil will flow out. So our engineer designed this oil collection tank in the pipeline below. After digesting, the palm fruit falls into this presser. In the palm oil production line, we always equip the double screw palm oil presser. Inside you could see there has 2 screws and then they move to each other, and then the crude palm oil will be discharged later. And after presser, we could get the crude palm oil. It inside has many impurities, such as fiber, kernel, and pure mud, fat, and the other impurities. So this step is clarification. We are using 3 machines to filtering to remove these impurities. The first clarification machine is this clarification tank. The crude palm oil will be pumped into for settling, and after settling, the fiber will force down to the lower parts, and the upper part crude palm oil will be cleaner. So we design this overflow device. The clean oil will be always taken out, and the second clarification machine is this is the vibrating screen. It inside has two layer to filtering the impurities, to splitting the impurity with the crude palm oil, and you can see the impurities will go out to the conveyor, then be transported back to the presser for press again to reduce the oil residual rate. Okay, the last one filtering machine is this plate filter. It inside has many filter clothes, so the impurities will be sandwiched between the clothes, the filter clothes. Then the crude palm oil will flow out to the oil storage tank. The last step is the drying. We use this vacuum dryer to heat the crude palm oil to decrease the internal moisture. After drying, the crude palm oil will be discharged, will be pumped to the oil storage tank. Then the crude palm oil will be stored longer time. It could storage 3 to 6 months. Okay, the next, let's see the 1 to 2 tons palm oil production line. We have 2 types of palm oil presser, and we have many SKUs palm oil production line. The simple palm oil production line, the 1 to 5 tons palm oil production line, and the medium and large scale palm oil production line. And we have the 1 ton per hour free installation palm oil production line. It don't need many area to set entire processing equipment, and it could reduce the installation time, could save you cost. Welcome guys, welcome to our live show. Our company is about our production line and the configuration plan and the selection guide according to need. If you have some need, we could arrange right sales manager for you. You could find our contact information in the comment area. In the comment area, there has our WhatsApp number, there has our phone number, and you could add our contact information. And you also could send an email for us. My assistant could reply it for you later. Okay, this is a 1 to 2 tons palm oil production line. Its process machine is same with 5 tons per hour palm oil production line. This is our double screw palm oil production line. If you want invest palm oil production line, we recommend you choose this double screw palm oil presser. This double screw palm oil presser has higher degree of automatic don't worker to control. It inside has a hydraulic pump station and a reducer in the tube, so it could control inside the pressure automatically. And this double screw palm oil presser has bigger processing capacity. This double screw palm oil presser processing capacity is 1 ton per hour to 15 tons per hour. It's suitable for serial motion use and production line. This still is our clarification steps. Welcome guys to our live show. Thanks for your support. Thanks for your like. Our company is doing holdings. You could search us, and our company has 15 years experience in manufacturing edible oil production equipment. Our company is located in Henan Province, Central China. We welcome you visit us and have communicate with us. Okay, this is our 1 to 2 tons per hour palm oil production line. Last step is vacuum drying. We use this vacuum dryer to heat crude palm oil and make it inside moisture become hot vapor. The hot vapor will go up to the pipeline, then will meet cooling air, will meet the cooling water, then force for collect. Okay. This picture is showing the clean the plate filter after production. Okay, guys, do you have any question about our equipment? If you want to learn about the other skills, palm oil production line, we also could include for you, and our company could provide the entire process edible oil machine, the pre-treatment and the press machine, solvent extraction oil machine, and the refining machine. We also could provide for you. And this is our project. This is our project live video from our engineer. This project is located in Indonesia. It is a one-time per hour for installation palm oil production line. You could say it don't need more area, don't need more installation time. It is quickly for operation, and it's easier to collect. And we have after sale services for you, for our customers. Our equipment has 1 year warranty, each equipment, and if you choose our equipment, if you choose our production line, we will send our engineer to your factory, help you to installation, help you to test the equipment, test the machine, and provide the technical training for you. Okay, so guys, if you want to invest edible oil production line or edible oil, if you want to learn about the edible oil equipment, you could enter our live show. I could introduce it for you, or you could give us a follow and our live show once every 2 weeks. And our count homepage has many videos to show our equipment, to show our private projects. Okay. In the past, I was introduced the palm oil production line and process. If you have any question or some need, you could type them on comment area. I could answer it for you. And next, I will use our picture to introduce our features of equipment. Okay. First, let's see our palm oil presser. We have 2 types of palm oil presser. The first is this single screw palm oil presser. The This is a single screw pump oil presser. It has processing capacity is 300 kilogram per hour to 500 kilogram per hour. Its processing capacity is smaller, so it is suitable for home use, small investor, and the palm oil production starters. It can't suitable for production line because it need worker to control inside pressure. But the single screw pump oil presser has two power system. You could choose it according to your need, according to your factory. According to factory conditions. Okay, is a diesel engine and motor power system. Okay, the second type is a double screw pump oil presser. It's like this. The double screw pump oil presser has a bigger capacity, 1 ton per hour to 15 tons per hour, and we could provide the customization according to capacity. This double screw pump oil presser inside has hydraulic pump station and reducer in the tube. So the inside pressure don't need worker to control. It could automatic operation, and it has lower oil residual rate, has a better efficiency for your production line. Okay, if you need the single machine, there's two types palm oil presser, or we could provide for you, and it has machine in stock. If you need, we could quickly transport it for you. Okay. Next, let's learn about our different skill, different kinds of palm oil production line. Okay. The first type is a simple palm oil presser. Its capacity is 1 to 2 tons per hour. It just needs 3 to 4 machines, could include entire process. First, we will equip this simple thresher. This simple type thresher could give you it don't need more cost. It is cheap, and it could help you to improve the threshing efficiency about entire process. After the threshing, you could get the palm fruit. Then you could choose the palm oil presser, the single screw palm oil presser, and the double screw palm oil presser. You could, according to your capacity, according to your factory conditions, to choose the suit, and after the pressing, we could get the crude palm oil. We could equip the plate filter for filtering step, and if we want to get a cleaner crude palm oil, we could add a vibrating screen in the filtering step, make the crude palm oil be cleaner, and it will have a better price. Okay, the simple palm oil production line suitable for home use, also suitable for small investors. It could improve the tradition factory, could give you higher efficiency. Welcome guys, welcome to our live show. Our company is mainly produce the edible oil production equipment. This picture is showing our palm oil production line. If you have some need, or if you have some question, you could type them on comment area. And in the comment area, there has our contact information. If you want to get the free quotation, configuration plan, or other services, we could arrange right sales manager for you to introduce our equipment, introduce our plan for you. Okay, the second type palm oil production line is a small scale palm oil production line. And the eating process capacity is 1 to 5 tons per hour. This small scale palm oil production line has a complete equipment. It includes the sterilizer, the thresher, digester, presser, and the clarification machine, the real clarification tank, the vibrating screen, and the plate filter. And it also equips the vacuum dryer and steam boiler. This small scale palm oil production line is automatic process. Don't need many workers to control, and it will have the high production efficiency. The equipment is complete, so it will give you the high oil yield and the high quality of the crude palm oil. And and its price is depend on your capacity and depend on your selection guide. So selection for your configuration plan. So if you are interested for our production line, if you are interested want to invest a palm oil production line, you could send a private message for us, and I will arrange right sales manager for you to introduce our equipment. Okay. This is palm oil production process. The first is the sterilization. We will use the sterilizer to cook FFB, to cook the fresh palm fruit bunches. Use a hot vapor. It needs 90 minutes to 120 minutes. And after sterilization, the palm fruit bunches will be softened and will be easier to remove inside the palm fruit, and then it will be poured into the thresher. We always equip this thresher. It is a drum type thresher. It is so long, about 2.5 meters. So the palm fruit bunches will be cleaner, and you could get more palm fruit. Then the palm fruit will be transferred to the vertical digester. The palm fruit can stay inside longer time about its structure, and then during the digesting, the structure of palm fruit will be destroyed. Then the palm fruit falls into the presser by pressing. The crude palm oil will be discharged, then be pumped to the clarification step to remove inside the impurities. Last one is the filtering to remove the small fiber, the small impurities from the crude palm oil. Then you could get the crude palm oil is this red palm oil. Okay. And it's suitable for small-scale palm oil product, the investor. Okay, our type 3 palm oil production line is this medium and large-scale palm oil production line. Its capacity is larger. Its capacity is 10 tons per hour to 120 tons per hour. This scale palm oil production line, each step has more equipment than the last two types. In this type palm oil production line, the process oil residue rate is lower. You could get higher oil yield, and the configuration plan part, it adds the kernel recovery station, water treatment station, and the raw materials reception station. This type palm oil production line is suitable for medium and large-scale palm oil factory. In the If you are interested in our equipment, we could arrange sales manager for you. Our sales manager could give you free quotation, configuration plan, and the selection guide. And we have engineer could give you designing scheme. Okay, guys. Welcome to our live show. If you like our live show, you could give us a follow, or if you okay, let's continue. Next part is the palm oil refinery production line. We also have a 3-type refining production line. The first is a batch type palm oil refining machine. It is suitable for small oil plant. Its processing capacity is low. It's less than 20 tons per day. And we have the second heating system, the electric heating system and the conduction oil heating system. The electric heating system processing capacity is 0.5 tons per day to 2 tons per day. Don't need more area still. And the conduction oil heating system processing capacity is 1 ton per day to 20 tons per day. And the electric heating system need you factory factory conditions has a stable power supply, and the other one, conduction oil heating, will be stable. And this batch type palm oil refining machine, each step need to wait. It will its efficiency will be lower. And if you want to get the higher degree of automatic, you could learn about the semi-continuous palm oil refining machine and the fully continuous palm oil refining machine. The semi-continuous refining machine, the authorization session is carried out continuous. The new worker to control, and it has higher efficiency, and it avoids the personnel error. The semi-continuous processing capacity is 5 tons per day to 30 tons per day. And the type 3 is fully continuous palm oil refining machine. It has a larger processing capacity. it is more than 30 tons per day. It's suitable for medium and large factory. This type refining machine, the whole process is fully continuous. The workshop inside don't need worker. It just need 1 to 3 worker to control. And it don't need to wait. It will give you it will give you better effect of the palm oil and reduce the labor cost. Okay. In the past, I introduced the palm oil pressing production line, refining machine. Except this type machine, we also have the fractionation, deboxing, and the winterization machine. This is processing capacity. And the fractionation machine is suitable for palm oil, palm kernel oil, coconut oil. After the fractionation, you could get the stearin palm oil and orange palm oil. It has different price. And the deboxing machine is suitable for sunflower oil, corn germ oil, rice bran oil, and flaxseed oil. The deboxing step purpose of the make the edible oil has a better effect. It looks beautiful than before. And the winterization machine suitable for cottonseed oil. It also is remove the solid matter in the cottonseed oil. And it could make the cottonseed oil has a better fluidity. Welcome guys to our live show. Next, let's see the palm kernel oil equipment. If you need this auxiliary machine, we also could provide for you, such as the bottle boiling machine, rebridge, oil storage tank, and the large-scale cooking oil filling machine. Guys, if you are interested in our machine, you could give us a follow. And if you want to get free quotation, we could provide the free quotation, configuration plan, or other advices about equipment give you. You could find our contact information in our comment area. Give us a follow, send a private message for us, or send an email for us, and you could add my WhatsApp. This way also could contact me, contact our company. Okay, the palm kernel oil processing machine, first is the presser. It only have one presser, one type presser. Its capacity is 500 kilogram per hour. It's suitable for home use, small investors, and it is inside screw, has a battery resistant. This palm kernel presser is automatic. It's easy to operate, and it's suitable for palm kernel oil production line. The other one is a palm kernel cracking and separating machine, separating system. Its capacity is 2 to 3 tons per hour and 4 to 6 tons per hour. It also is automatic. Don't need worker to control. I need worker to turn off and turn on. And it also is easy to operation. Its shearing rate is more than 95%, and separation rate is more than 95%. The shearing rate could reach 97% in the better time. Okay, next let's see the production line. This is the palm kernel oil production line. It includes the fiber and palm nuts separating machine, this kernel shell separating system, and the crushing machine, cooking, palm kernel presser, plate filter. It could separate the fiber with the palm nuts. Then the palm nut pours into the cracking and kernel shell separating system to make the palm nut shell is broken. Then separate the kernel with shell. Then we will get the cleaner palm kernel. Then the palm kernel falls into the crushing machine to broken to 6 to 8 parts. Then enter the cooker to heat to adjust the temperature and moisture of the palm kernel. Make the palm kernel condition suitable for pressing. Then the palm kernel will enter this presser, and the palm kernel oil enter the plate filter to remove internal impurities. Then we could get the crude palm kernel oil. Welcome guys to our live show. Welcome guys. And this is our equipment. Our company is doing holdings. This palm kernel production line is our company engineer design it. If you need, we could give you full quotation configuration plan about this production line, help you to choose the equipment, and you also could visit our factory, our sales manager could introduce our equipment for you. Okay, today our topic is palm oil and palm kernel oil. Except this part, we also has other edible oil equipment such as oil press machine, about other the peanut oil, rapeseed oil, cottonseed oil. This is the production line. The peanut oil pressing machine, soybean oil pressing machine, sunflower oil, raspberry oil pressing machine, all could provide for you. Welcome guys to our live show. If you are interested for the edible oil production equipment, you could give us a follow, guys. My live show once every 2 weeks, and you could get the start information next time. And if you have some need, you could type them on comment area. I will introduce for you guys. Our company has its own factory and engineer team. We could support customization. Our company is located in Henan Province, Central China. We have entire process edible oil production machine, such as pre-treatment machine, press machine, and the solvent extraction oil machine, and the refining machine, fractionation, dewaxing, and the winterization machine. All we could provide for you. And a single machine we also have. Okay, this is our company. Do you have any questions, guys? My live show will be end. If you have any question, you could type them